Comparatives with cats.
Comparativos con gatos. From Colombia
to the United States.
This is Henry. He's mischievous.
This is Quincy. She's old.
This is Moniz. Él es consentido. He's spoiled. This is Kiara. Ella es juguetona. She's playful.
This is Junebug. Junebug. And she is very naughty. This is Pigeon. Pigeon is very shy.
We use as to indicate when things are equal to one another. Both of my cats are as spoiled as Martin's cats.
Utilizamos just con tan como as cuando queremos hacer énfasis en que dos cosas son iguales. Kiara es así de tímida como Pigeon. Kiara is just as shy as Pigeon.
We use almost as in affirmative statements to show that two things are very similar but not exactly the same. Pigeon is almost as old as Quincy. We use not as to show how two things are different. Junebug is not as playful as Kiara.
Utilizamos quite con not as para decir que la diferencia es muy pequeña. Moniz no es precisamente tan viejo como Quincy. Moniz is not quite as old as Quincy.
We use not nearly as to describe a big difference between two things. Henry is not nearly as shy as Pigeon.
Thanks for watching. Need additional practice? Follow these accounts for more.